Hi everyone, today we are going to see about the germination of seed. So first of all, we'll see what are the factors which are required for the germination of a seed. So when you take a plant, whatever is essential for its growth, even the seed requires all those as well. So first of all, it needs a very good soil to grow, which is very nutritious, and it needs warmth, not exactly the sunlight. They require the warmth to germinate, and they require the correct amount of water so that they can grow, and they require air as well. So when you take a seed, the seed when you take, for example, here this is a dicot plant, okay, that is a dicot seed that is getting germinated here. So what do you mean by dicot? Actually, when you take up a seed, when you are able to find two pods in it, that is when you are able to divide that into two equal halves, it literally splits into two, then you call it as dicot. So these two are the cotyledons of the seeds. Then, first of all, what happens is when all the conditions are satisfied for the plant. Okay, so what happens is there is a hole in the seed through which the water is getting absorbed into it. So water is imbibed into the seed, and the seed will enlarge in size. As you soak it, you can see the seed getting enlarged. Similarly, the seed gets enlarged, and then what happens? A small white color growth happens, okay, from the seed. That you call it as a radicle. Radicle is nothing but the part which grows into a root. So exactly what happens is the root grows first. That you call it as a radicle. And then what happens? The seed will emerge out from the soil, and after that what happens? The plumule gets developed. That is nothing but the shoot. The part of the plant which develops into a shoot, you call it as the plumule. So here it develops into a plant now. So these are all the things that is required for the germination of the seed. Same thing happens for a monocot plant, except that it has only one cotyledon. It is actually having only one cotyledon. So as such, instead of this getting into two seed leaves like this, it will be a single one. So after a while, this is a real leaf that is getting emerged from the plant. Okay, this is the seed leaf you call. So until the plant grows, until it starts preparing its own food, that is until the correct leaves are formed, the nutrients which are present in the cotyledons are giving the nutrition to the plant to grow. So once the roots are well developed, as well as the shoot system is developing and big leaves are formed so that they can trap sunlight and start preparing its own food. Until that, what happens? The seed leaves, okay, these two seed leaves are there, so they supply the nutrients. So a minimum quantity of nutrition is already present in the seed that will help the plant to grow. So here you could see a bean cotyledon, okay, that is a bean seed. So here first emerges, there is a small white colored thing that is coming out. That you call it as the plumule, that you call it as the radicle, and that which grows into the stem. The stem part you call it, that grows upwards, okay, that you call it as a plumule. And slowly it comes out of the seed is coming out of the soil. Now a well developed roots is seen when compared to the shoot system. So overall in the plant, if you take the root system as well developed first, and then only the shoot system. See, you can see small leaves that are getting, that is projecting out from the cotyledons. So here the leaves gets developed. So once the leaves are well developed, when they form a big leaf, big enough to trap the sunlight, and they can prepare their own food for themselves by the process called as photosynthesis. There are certain things which will decide the growth of the plant. So as you all know that we need a healthy plant, we need more production of the plant to give us more products from that, and that too the product should be of high quality, and something different or any different nutrient that can be incorporated into it, or it can be a disease-free plant, or it can be a vaccine, oral vaccine. So all those things can be developed by a technique called as a biotechnology, wherein GM modified food, that is genetically modified food, can be produced.